Hey, I'm Ed. I'll be showing you today how to draw an Android phone in Illustrator. We'll be working with two basic shapes, a rectangle and a circle. This is going to be a quick and simple tutorial, so sit back and have fun learning. First of all, let's start off by drawing a rectangle. Draw a rectangle, make it a dark color, and let's adjust the corners using the direct selection tool. Round the corners a bit and then hit offset and set it to -13. Now we'll make the outside offset shape a darker color, make it totally black, and then the outside one a lighter gray. Now we'll go to the rectangle tool again, create some rectangles, and using the direction tool select those two edges and round them up. And let's resize it a bit, adjust the size and duplicate it. Just hold down Alt and drag out. Make it into three shapes for the volume key and the power button key. And yeah, let's see the rectangle again to create this, the earpiece and the camera lens. It's an ellipse tool. Alright, let's duplicate this, copy and then paste in place, and I'll make that a gradient, black and white gradient. Let's choose a gradient tool and rotate it, adjust it, and let's choose overlay. You can play around with these blending options to see which one you prefer, but for now I'm going with overlay to make it have that reflective look on the glass. And once you're done with that, let's pick the rectangle tool and type in the exact size of our canvas to make a background. That's 1000 by 1000. It's a gradient, so we'll change it to the colors we want. I want to use this dark and light green. And yeah, that's it. You are done creating a cell phone in Illustrator. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Follow for more and see you next time. Bye bye.